What are recent trade-ins at Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted? Let's take a lot walk as I hang out with the CPO team today, CPO being our pre-owned building. We've got some really fun stuff that's been coming in lately. Let's take a look. So here's a GLS 63 that we just took in on trade, got mono blocks. This is a little bit higher miles than you normally see. I want to say it's got upwards of 40K miles, but that puts it at a really attractive price point. And I think this is a 22. I'll have to double check, I don't have it offhand. Of course, we get lots of G-Wagons on trade because of our G-Wagon policy, right? If you're a G-Wagon client of the store, then you can trade that back in and get another one at MSRP, as many of our clients do. And we've been getting a lot of Land Rovers lately. Land Rovers have been coming in on trade very frequently. These are all Range Rovers, 3 white ones right in a row. Now, here is a GLA 35. This is actually a former demo. That's a former loaner, so that is a new car technically. It's leasable. And here's a GLA. These are all, well, that's a new car. This is not. This is a pre-owned GLE. Easiest way to tell if it's a pre-owned GLE is by looking at that front grille. This has got an AMG line, and you'll see here we have little studs, like little diamond shapes, as opposed to 2024 and newer, where those would be little Mercedes-Benz stars. There is another GLE there. Here we have a red GLC, and then a really cool G580. Check this bad boy out. Oh, I'm sorry, this is actually a G550, and you can't see it from here, but it's got a two-tone steering wheel. Oh my goodness, beautiful, beautiful. Just got that one in recently. So what else is new? Well, there's a nice GLC over there that's got the 19-inch wheels. Here's an E63. This is a rare bird. Diamond white E63 with the black crosspoke wheels. They have not made this car in nearly 4 years. 2023 was the last model year for the E63. This is the twin turbo V8 in all of its glory. That's a recent acquisition here. Here's a fun Mini Cooper S that we took in recently. It's got the lime green mirror caps. These are fun cars. They always have a very loyal following, and we always do well with these Minis. They really, really tend to sell very well. There's a pre-owned GLA. Of course, it lends itself, it stands to reason that we would take in Mercedes-Benz trades at a Mercedes-Benz dealership or lease returns. Here's a GLA 35 again. Very nice. Now here is a GLC 300 coupe. Love the GLC coupes. These are quite rare. You probably will see maybe 5 GLC coupes for every 100 GLC regulars that are made. And here's a 2023 E-Class. This is an AMG line, has the diamond studded grille, got the AMG wheels. Here's a nice Porsche Macan that we took in on trade. That's got white with the chalk interior. Here's a little BMW X3. Here's an Audi Q3, right? I believe that's the Q3. Got the S line. Take a peek. Yep, that's the Q3. That's the little guy. Those are fun. Check out this wild Genesis GV70. I mean, I gotta hand it to Genesis. They've done a great job with the styling. Some very funky wheels here, but I'm kind of into them. It's got almost like a waffle cone look to it. But these are good looking SUVs, they really are. I give credit where credit's due. Here's a nice blue Audi Q7 that we got in recently. So that's kind of a fun little car right there. That's got some nice wheels on it as well. There's the front half of that Genesis. Look at what's going on. Audi's got a lot of stuff going on here. I'm assuming these are all covers for driver assistance cameras and radars. It just is a very busy front grille. From a distance, you probably don't notice it nearly as much. How about this Shelby GT350? There you go, right? When you sell cool cars, you get cool trades. That is a very nice one. And I think this one is a couple years older. Yeah, it's a 2017. It's low miles, really nice shape. Check out this VW R. Yeah, baby, Golf Type R, love it. It's got the heads-up display. You can see that through the window. We took this one in pretty recently. Let's keep walking down this way. What else do we got? Here's a really nice Acura MDX. That looks like a pearlescent white as well. This is actually not an MDX. This looks smaller. This is going to be an RDX, isn't it? Let's go see. Boy, I remember when I was on the sales floor, yeah, it's an RDX. My product knowledge was just on point all the time. Now, some of the competitive brands that I'm not around all the time, I don't always immediately recognize them, but I did get that one. And here's another little Audi e-tron, right? I think Audi did a pretty good job with their original EV styling, but there are subtle hints. They do give it away a little bit. A little bit of an egg shape there, but a nice e-tron. Here's an Infiniti. Check this out, QX50. Don't see a lot of Infinitis these days. 2023 QX50. I feel like Infiniti's really going through it, but nice price point on that car. Here's the Volvo. This is not the XC90, which is probably what most people think of with Volvo. This is an XC60, a 2022. A little bit smaller. Volvo, very well known for their safety features. Here is a Kia Telluride in kind of a non-metallic flat blue paint. That's a 2023. I think Kia did a great job with the Telluride. These have been quite popular. Check out this Toyota Taco TRD Sport Tacoma. This one's got some running boards on it. Nice Tacoma if you're looking for a truck. Got another GLA over here. Let's keep going down the row. What else do we have? Have a Hyundai. Got a little Hyundai action here. There's another GLA for you. And here's a really nice Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. Looks like we just had a new windshield put in this one. I believe it had a crack, so that is currently curing. But the Atlas Cross Sport, I have to hand it to Volkswagen. That is probably their best looking vehicle right now. Nice shape, good size. Here's a really cool Defender. Now, we took this in on trade recently. I love the color, kind of like a bronzish gold brown Defender P400. This is one of the big boys. It's a Defender 130, so extra long. It's almost like hard for me to wrap my head around seeing a Defender that is that long when I'm so used to the shorties of years past. Here's a nice Cadillac sedan that we took in. What is this, the CT5? Yep, Cadillac CT5 2021. This is a really nice car. Super low miles, super good condition. I remember taking this one in on trade, 350T all-wheel drive. Here's a little C-Class action. That's a former demo. Great deals on former demos, lease or purchase right now. Here's a CLA former demo. This is kind of the former demo row here. Have a nice 2024 E-Class there. A CLE Coupe, C-Class, CLA. Here's an S560. Ooh, everybody likes a used S-Class. This has got the 20-inch wheels in the AMG line. Those are the really hot wheels. Looks like this one's already tinted. This is a 2020, so that's previous generation S-Class. And here we have another Range Rover. This one is a nice gray color, kind of looks like Alpine gray a little bit. I like that one quite a bit. And then we have this really fantastic GT63 in Starling Blue. Some beautiful silver crosspoke wheels on it. I can see the carbon ceramic brakes that are hidden behind the wheels there. Look at those, just massive calipers. This is a really, really stunning car. I think next to the CLE 53, this is one of the prettiest cars that Mercedes-Benz makes right now. It's got the performance seats. Probably not going to really be able to see it, but yellow stitching on the interior. That's a 2023 GT63. Really nice car. Has the carbon fiber wing on the back. Love it. All right, let's go to the back part of the lot, see if there's anything cool that we missed. Thank you for hanging out. And For those of you that don't know me, my name is Doug Horner. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted. Most days I'm sitting in my office in the new car building. We do have two buildings here, which in a perfect world we would only have one, but we're a big dealership and we're landlocked and we just need the space of two buildings. So I'm across the street at the pre-owned building. I like to spend a couple days a week over here now and be with my pre-owned team. We're one floor, we're an open floor, which means that our salespeople, whether they sit in the new car building or the used car building, they have the ability to sell either new or used. But sometimes when you're on one side of the street or the other, you might tend to focus primarily on the used cars or the new cars. So we'll take a little stroll down this last row. And this is mostly some new car overflow here. We have a nice Sarah Silver GLE with the beautiful 21-inch wheels. Here's a nice Twilight Blue GLA, GLC coupe. So it looks like we are looking primarily at new cars here. Here's a GLE 450 coupe, newer model. Really like the traditional GLE Luxe styling with that coupe body line. Here's our Sonoran Brown E450 wagon. Anything else hidden over here? I think we're into the new car stuff. So now we get to go inside and see the really cool stuff. What is so cool that we decided it needs to be in the showroom? Well, there are some things in here that are toys. There are some things in here that are just cool and unique, but we have some really, really fun stuff that's been traded into us in the last couple weeks. And as we get back to the store here, I'm happy to show them to you. All right, so let's take a peek. So here is our 78-mile 2025 Vantage that was just traded in. Longtime client of the store, bought it, decided they didn't like it, got a G-Wagon. Pretty much a brand new car. Right next to it, a 2025 911 GTS Cabrio. Slate gray, Bordeaux interior. Absolutely love it. If you're going to get a 911, I think it's got to be the GTS, and that's Adam. Adam does the paperwork over here. He's the finance guy on the used car side of the street. Now here is another Aston Martin. Do you know what model this is? It's not a Vantage. This is a DB12. So it's no mistaking what it is, but a little bit different proportions than the Vantage behind it. You can see some differences in the grille as well. And then a very fun Audi R8 here. I believe this was a 2014. It is a coupe. It's got the carbon fiber side blades. I've always thought that these were really, really good looking cars. Hats off to Audi for doing those. And then we have a couple of G63s, our manufacturer deep green. And then this was a manufacturer special edition. This is Cardinal Red Magno. That is a matte red. That is a custom paint that you couldn't order for that year. You could only get it in the special edition. So very nice car there. And then currently getting photoed, a GLE 63 coupe, black with the red interior, hot car. So, which of these was your favorite? Was it one of the more traditional or regular or common cars that you saw outside, or was it one of the toys that you saw inside? Thank you for all your support. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed.